कपड्यांचो मल्टी चेन स्टोर मॅक्स आणि GTDCन जोड पालवान आपले कस्टमरां खातीर क्रिसमसा निमतान गोठो आणि नेकेत्राची सर्त दवरल्या.
Competition 3, 2, 1, and here it is. DIY Do It Yourself Christmas Contest.
Catering to kids wear, men's wear, ladies wear, footwear, accessories, jewelry, fashion jewelry, handbags for the entire family. And we would like to thank Goa for the amazing response which Goa has given us.
And we are also thankful to the MAX for associating with GTDC for this star and crepe making competition. I am hopeful, as you all know, that Christmas is the celebration time in Goa, and this competition will be most successful, and there will be great finale will be also happening. I extend my best wishes to the organizers. Thank you.
So since Christmas is here and the festival period has already begun, and with Christmas and New Year, Goa will see a celebration around Christmas and the New Year, and we thought that how to engage with our customers in Goa, and we couldn't think of something better than coming out with an activity where we involve our customers and engage them. So it's going to be a competition wherein the invites will be sent out to customers, or it's open for everybody, not only for Max customers. Anybody in the city, anybody in the Goa state can participate. It's a very simple process wherein any customer or anybody has to just enroll on the site address given, and once they enroll themselves, they have to send the images of the crib and star making competition, and that will be assessed by our jury. We have a very eminent jury on board.